Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video where today I will show you how to create simple corporate lower thirds in After Effects, like this one. So let's start. First, we are going to create a new composition. I'm using HD 720 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 3 seconds long. Now grab your rectangle tool and draw a shape like this. Make sure you have no fill, but a 2 pixel stroke, any color you want. Now click on Rectangle Path, and Rectangle Path 1, unlink the sizes. And change this values to 700 and 100 pixels. Now click on Add, then Trim Paths. Open it and change its values like this. Start, 2%. End, 87%. And offset, 121 degrees. Move your cursor to 1 second and 20 frames and create keyframes for start and end. Now, move back to the start of your timeline and change these two values to 45% to create new keyframes. Select all keyframes, right-click on them, click on Keyframe Assistant, and easy ease them. Now, open the graph editor and drag this handle like this. Select your shape layer, center it, and RAM preview it. It should look like this. Now, let's create our texts and center them with our shape. I am using the Railway font, with this settings, but you can use any font you want, with the settings that fit better with your projects. Move your cursor to 1 second and 20 frames and select both of your text layers. Click P on your keyboard to open the position settings, then click on the stopwatch to create keyframes. Now click Ctrl R on your keyboard to open the rulers, and drag 2 rulers like this. Now move back to the start of your timeline. Select the second text, and drag it to the left like this. Do the same with the first text too. Let's add motion blur to all the layers. Click on these boxes. And then click here to activate it. Get rid of these rulers, select all keyframes and easy ease them. Now, open the graph editor and drag this handle like this. For now, our animation should look like this. Select your first text layer, right-click on it, and pre-compose it. Do the same with the second one. Now let's mask our texts, to make them reveal from the right place. Select each of them, click on the rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle over your composition starting from the point where the text should appear. It looks very nice, isn't it? Now let's create a new composition, but make it 6 seconds long, and name it Lower Third. drag twice this comp in our new composition. Move the top layer to the right like this, so it starts right when the bottom one finishes. Right-click on it, select Time, then Time Reverse Layer. Our lower third is complete and should look like this. Now let's test it. Drag it on top of your video. Place it where you want it to display, and check the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create an elegant lower third in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.